Hey.
Fuck you.
Okay, I deserve that.
No. You deserve more than that. Why are you here?
I was wanting to see if the house could give me some kind of relief.
How did you get out?
Parole. I was a model prisoner, they say.
If it was up to me, you'd be hung like a butchered hog.
I'm sorry.
What?
I'm sorry.
Don't bullshit me.
No, Shannon, I really am. I've thought a lot about this whole incident. I can't stop thinking about it. I would go to sleep at night, hoping to see you again and apologize. That went on throughout my entire sentence. I was so screwed up, Shannon, and I really needed the money.
Stop. Stop right there. I don't want to hear your excuses. I've been debating my feelings on this for 30 years, and hearing your grovel is not helping your case. I was raised to forgive my trespassers and love my enemies and all that kumbaya shit. But those Bible school teachers never had to go through what I went through. I lost my family, my fiance, and fucking everything.
Is there any way you can forgive me? Please.
That question has come to mind over the past few years. My gut tells me no way. But then I think about what you were thinking that night. It was probably your gut telling you to shoot me, right? Maybe something isn't right about thinking that way. If I do forgive you, it will be because I believe it is the right thing to do. I refuse to let my enemies get the best of me. That's what you did, and I won't be you.
Please forgive me. Please. You know, I don't even care if you mean it. Just say it. Say that you forgive me.
Go home, Jan.